I'm a McGrath breast care nurse. My job is to support women and their families diagnosed with breast cancer, supporting them throughout the whole continuum of care, from diagnosis until completion of treatment. How are you going, Christy? How's things?
Yeah, I'm going okay. I've decided to have a little...
That's where the McGrath Foundation are good, that if a woman comes to see me and they may say, how long have I got with you? And I can say however long it takes. Whatever it takes that they need to get them to a place, then I'll be there for them.
I was diagnosed with 2 types of rare breast cancer, which was early stages of cancer. In the beginning, I felt very scared and alone. I didn't know where to start. Even though I did have Steve, I didn't really know what was going to come for us. And meeting Donna, she took that loneliness away from me.
Hello, how are you?
Thanks for meeting with us today.
Pleasure to see you. Hi, Steve. How are you doing? It's such an overwhelming and vulnerable time in a woman's life, and they're really looking for an anchor, and I think it's great that they feel that they found someone and I'm able to be that person.
There's times that I would go and catch up with Donna in a cafe, or it would be in her office, and there were some days that I would just bawl my absolute heart out, and Donna would just let me just vent to her, and she was my safety net. You know, I did have her support 100%, and without that support it does make it really hard to understand, you know, your cancer diagnosis.
Christy contacted the Royal Perth Breast Library service.
Yeah, definitely. I always felt like there was definitely the 3 of us going through it the whole time. Donna was always there, so she sort of just basically explained everything from start to finish of how it was all going to work, and then that way it made it a little bit more comforting, knowing how or what to expect.
I remember sitting in there with the surgeon and we're actually discussing of how the mastectomy was going to be done. And Donna knew how petrified I was sitting in that room with her. And I think that is amazing, that with that support of having her there to stop and ask questions, and why are you doing this and why do you think that's the best option?
I think Donna Cook has been an invaluable source to myself and to the breast cancer patients in Bunbury. We all understand the process of a multidisciplinary team. Well, the breast cancer nurses are part of it, and without them we would be one leg less, and we crippled it, I think.
She basically was a network of giving us information of things that we could do to help us get through it, and that's been amazing support for both of us, and without that I don't know how we would have got through it, because we were both faced with this at such a young age that we didn't know where to start, and Donna started it for us.
Especially for me, being that I work away. I work on a mine for Rio Tinto in iron ore in Indigena. So I do 2 weeks away and 1 week home. So I've got a team of 15 guys under me at the moment, and it's very nice to know that you've got someone there that can give the support to Christy while I'm not here.
And Donna would help me understand of what Steve was feeling as well.
But it is difficult for a partner. I mean, to see the person you love going through an experience like this is not easy on anyone. And being that you can't, there's not much you can do. You're just trying to be the strong one all the time.
You know, I know from first-hand experience, you know, the guys he's trying to do everything, play the support role, but guys being guys, we don't ask for help too often.
Yeah, well, work had done a fundraiser up for the McGrath Foundation when McGrath was there, and I really just wanted to thank him personally.
Yeah, no, I do remember it very well. Yeah, it was great just to chat with Steve and hear how he and Christy are going, and just the effect Donna, our McGrath breast care nurse in Bunbury, is really having on their life. And to me, I think it makes me feel that what we're doing at the McGrath Foundation is, well, to me, that is what it's all about.
So, how's things going with you, Steve?
A lot of blokes won't talk about their feelings, but I will share a lot of my feelings with Donna. Like, that's the only time I will. Donna has to be the most understanding and passionate person that I've come across.
Is that what he said? Oh God, he's so lovely. He's such a private man. And I really got to know him, and it's just lovely to see him kind of evolve and open up like this, because a lot of men don't. And if we can give men the skills and the tools and the support to be able to offer that support to their partner, that makes the relationship stronger.
So many people hear about McGrath Foundation and their fundraiser. We've actually received where that funding goes to. We've had a breast nurse walk every step of the way with us.
I can't thank her enough. It just makes a huge difference.
It's my life's work, and I've done it now for nearly 10 years, and it's been a passion, and it's for me it's rewarding when women ask me questions that I will have that answer. Yeah, that's what it's all about, isn't it? It's making a difference and knowing that you've helped a young couple get to where they've got to, and I feel I've definitely been instrumental in helping them.
Future for us now would be, once we get out of this experience, we will be starting a little family of our own.
And share those moments with Donna, I guess. She's definitely going to be a friend of ours for life, I think.
Yeah.